Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a review for the Beetles Gel Polish. It is a 6-piece set, but this is their neon collection for summer. Summer is coming, people are feeling the warm weather, they want the bright colors. So I wanted to swatch these mostly because I want to dig in and use them. So as always, Beetles always, when you get the 6-piece set, it always comes packaged wonderfully in the little box. If you've watched my previous review on the Beetles Gel Polish, you'll find that that's how they came. This is a set of 6. Comes with the application guide, gives you all your little instructions for the proper way to apply and remove, length of time to cure. This particular product is a 60-second cure under an LED light, not a 30-second. And it is also a 2-minute cure under a UV light. If you do not cure these for the proper amount of time, they will look like shit. It's not good for you. You don't want that. You want to make them look pretty. Whether you're at home or you're in the salon, don't care. Don't mess them up. Use the recommended amount of time, which is 60 seconds. I have found that this particular product I started buying during quarantine, and I love it. It is low in cost, so it's very affordable. So if you're doing your nails at home or you are working in a salon, I have been in the business for 20 years. I have used high-priced ticket items, and I have used low-priced ticket items. And I don't really care how much they cost. I care about how they look. I want to be sure that they look good when they walk out the door, that they hold, that they cure properly, and that they're not a piece of trash. I want to know that they've got good pigment to them. I've found that Beetles in general have very good pigments with their colors. So that is a plus for me. Now the size bottles, these are the 7.3 mLs, and that's the size that come in the 6-packs. If you get any of their, like their 40-pack or 30, whatever, their starter kits, those are like the little tiny mini bottles that are just for at home, just for you. And you're probably going to blow through those pretty quick. This is a nice size. This is 1/4 ounce, which is the same size that CND shellac comes in, but it is half the size that Gelish or the regular size OPI come in. OPI actually does come in a 10 ml, which is just a little bit more than this, as like their smaller size. And I'm just going to tell you from what I found, these have shelf life, so they will start to look like trash. They won't cure properly. They will come off your clients in a matter of a couple days. They will peel, they'll chip, they won't stay. And it may very well be because they're too damn old. Change them out, get rid of them. Give yourself some new stuff. Give your clients some new stuff. Keep up with the flow here and don't be putting out trash. Put the trash in the trash where it belongs. But this is a nice size because if it's a good color, it's going to get used, and then you can buy a new fresh bottle. And if it's a bad color that didn't sit on the shelf for too long, then at least you're not wasting a ton of money and having large bottles that are going to sit there for forever. So I currently am collecting these, and I've probably got about 40 or 50 bottles of these bought so far. I'm going to guess, let's see, if they come in packages of 6, I'm going to guess I have 6 times 9 is 45. So I probably have bought about 9 sets, I guess. And I will continue to do so until I am displeased with them. But this is the Neon Collection. One of the other things I wanted to say is I love these caps. These caps are color-coded and numbered. Not all Beetles come like this. Some Beetles just have the white sticker with the number. Oh, I hate having to search. I just can't stand it. But this is such a time saver when I'm looking for the right color. Love. Absolutely love this. So the ones that I have that do not have this, I've purchased other items to go on top so that I can color code them. So I will go from there. But anyway, this is how they come. Nice, neatly packaged, non-toxic free. It's got a low odor. It's got awesome colors, and these are the summer collection. So let me just pull these out. Nicely wrapped in the styrofoam. I already have some tips pre-done with the Beetles White 755. And I have the Beetles Top It Off Top Gel, which is a no wipe shiny top coat, which I will be using at the end. So let's just get into swatching these. I will go ahead and start with the 277, which is a nice highlighter yellow. Now, anybody that's done neons probably knows that your neons can wind up one of a couple ways. So sheer that you can't really see them, which is garbage, or they're just not bright. Like the color is bad, but look at this. This is your highlighter yellow. One coat of white underneath, because whites always make your neons brighter. Okay, I did swatch some without the white underneath, and at the end of the video, I will show you the comparison between those, but I also put a matte top coat on those. But that's one coat. Look at that. That's one coat over top of the white. That's pretty fabulous if you ask me. This green is a very interesting color. This is 278. I don't even know how to describe this green. It reminds me of an ocean green, kind of meadowy. It's definitely got the blue undertone in it. I don't know if you can see the blue undertones. It's nice. And what surprises me right now about this collection is there are some colors in here that I am not a fan of normally, but this collection makes me want to do my nails in these colors. Once again, one coat with that green. Look at that coverage, guys. Okay, this is by far one of my all-time favorites. This is 279. This is a fabulous pink. Talk about hot pink for summer. Hell yes. Look at that. Look at that. One coat over top of the white. See, this is one of those colors I'm going to need to buy several bottles of, because I know my clients love pink. And this is right up their alley. It's right up my alley. It's versatile enough for a lot of different skin tones. And look, there's no words to describe that. That's just flipping fantastic. Okay, the next color we go over to is the 280, which is the orange. Not a pumpkin orange. I don't want a fall orange. I want an orange for summer. Does it deliver? And the answer is yes. Yes, it does deliver. Look at how amazeballs that is. Oh my gosh. The colors are stunning. If you want a nice set of summer neon nails, this should be your go-to collection. Not even gonna lie. I'm 4 colors in, and look at how fabulous. Okay, the purple, here we go. It's kind of like a grape. Actually, I think my husband used to have a car this color. Huh. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's nice, and it's a bright, not a light purple, just a nice bright purple. Now see, this one's highly pigmented. You definitely need like a second coat with this one for sure, because it winds up being a little streaky. Don't ever put your polishes on too thick. They will ripple while they're under the light. They will not cure properly. You will have to redo it. It will peel off. You will be pissed off. Your customers will be pissed off. Lighter is better. and higher pigments cure longer. If it says 60 seconds, don't be afraid to give it that extra 30. It's not going to hurt it. Gives it a little bit of extra time. And you know what? If you have a bad lamp and your light bulbs are bad and you're not curing properly, even though I put it in for the 60 seconds like you told me to, but it still didn't cure right, well, you might need to change out your lamp. These things are also things that are consumable that will go bad and need replaced after usage. I found out the hard way. Depending on how much you're using a lamp, they will need replaced. So that is the first round. I will go ahead and get the second round on, and then I'll meet you back here with the top coats. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is this top coat. It has become one of my fast favorites. It is also by Beetles. This is a 15 ml, which is the same size that I would use in the salon. This is a tack-free, so once it comes out of the lamp, there is no need to wipe off a sticky residue. It has an excellent shine to it. I have ordered multiple bottles of it now because I love it so much. And no, Beetles doesn't pay me to do any of this. I'm doing this because I want to educate you guys in something that's not going to cost you a ton of money and still give you good results if you use things the way that they're supposed to be used. Can you see that? Just wait till these come out of the light for the final shot and see how shiny they are. Now in the final shot, you're just going to have to give me a little bit of slack as well though, because I had a little snafu with one of my colors with my matte top coat and the purple, so don't judge too hard. We all make mistakes. I make lots. Okay, 60-second cure. All right, guys, here's the finished set. Just with the Beetles top coat. Look at how shiny. Perfect strawberry, pink, awesome neon orange, highlighter yellow, the green, the ocean blue, the perfect purple. And then this is matte on these. And these do not have a white base coat on them. This is just over top of a clear nail tip, no white base coat with the matte finish. And still, look at how gorgeous those are. You guys can create all kind of summer nail art with this set. I highly recommend it. And the top coat, don't forget the top coat when you order. This particular set for me was, I believe, $22.99. So as far as Beetles go, for their 6-packs, that's a little, it's one of the higher price sets. I've gotten sets from them as low as $9.97, $9.98, something like that. But I'm not mad at all for 6 fabulous colors for $23 essentially. It is fabulous. I believe the top coat was, I think it was $8, but I will go ahead and put that in the description below. I will also leave the Amazon link for these. You can get them Prime, come shipping in a couple days. Up your nail game, level up your nail game, whether you are at home or whether you are in the salon and you're looking for some nice neons. I don't care how much it costs. I want it to look good and I want it to work, and these fulfill that order. So I give these a thumbs up for sure. These are the best neons that I have seen probably in my 20 years. Although the pink might not be a neon pink, it's pretty pink. But these are definitely some of the best summer colors that I've seen in 20 years. So, has my full backing, my full recommendation. I hope that you've enjoyed spending a little bit of time with me while I've been doing these. If you would like to see videos on other things, please leave a comment below and let me know. And I will do my best to do that. Give you whatever reviews you want to see. Let it be my dollar, not yours. And we'll see how it goes. I'll give you the honest truth of what I think. Hit a thumbs up for the video and please subscribe to the channel so that we can keep you informed and updated and get you educated and let your creativity run wild. Level up your nail game, girls, guys. Level it up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.